Tired of pecan pie? If so, give peanut pie a try. Although not very common outside of Virginia and Georgia, this classic southern pie is definitely worth knowing. For my version of the recipe, keep watching. The star of the show is Spanish peanuts, a variety of peanuts known for its high oil content and strong peanut flavor. I used raw peanuts with the skin that were lightly salted, but you could use peanuts without the skin too. I started by heating half a cup of raw honey on high in the microwave for 30 seconds to make it easier to stir. Then I added 6 tablespoons of melted butter, 1.5 cups of peanuts. Although most of the peanuts came whole, I went through and used my fingers to break apart about half of them. Half a cup of light brown sugar, 2 large eggs, along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and stir to combine. Once mixed, pour the filling into an unbaked pie shell, and start off by baking it at 350 uncovered for 35 minutes. Then lower the temperature to 325, cover the pie with foil, and bake for another 25 minutes. Finish off the pie by reducing the oven temperature to 300 and baking the pie covered for another 15 minutes. As you can see, the pie turned out beautifully. The peanuts were perfectly roasted. But how did it taste? This pie was incredible. If you like pecan pie or you like honey roasted peanuts, you'll love this pie. Instead of using all brown or white sugar, using half light brown sugar and half raw honey really gave this pie a bit of extra flavor that a normal pecan pie does not have. Although I thought about sprinkling extra salt on top of the pie before cutting it, I decided to first try the pie without the extra salt. Although it was good, adding a bit of extra salt to the second slice really put this pie over the top. Honey roasted peanuts are usually salted, so it makes sense that it would be good. Besides, through my cooking experience, I've learned that adding salt to desserts puts them over the top, especially if they seem to be too sweet and lack any real flavor besides just sugar. Like I said, this pie is good on its own, but adding an extra 1/4 teaspoon of salt to the top of the pie is really going to give this pie a wow factor. If you're looking for a special dessert for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or any other day, and you're tired of pecan pie, give this peanut pie a try. Or maybe you know someone like my friend Rob from the gym who is allergic to tree nuts and who has never had pecan pie in his entire life. If so, this pie will give him or her a good idea of what a pecan pie is like. This pie was so good, I will definitely be making it again. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, for a written version of this and other recipes, visit my website parnellthechef.com. And don't forget to follow me on social media. Once again, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.